Want to take a selfie or check that important message? But your screen is broken? We all love our phones and can't go a day without it. Studies show that we check our phones 50 times per day, from the first thing in the morning when we wake up to the last thing before going to sleep. So how would you feel if your phone was broken? Cracked screen? Faulty battery? Screen faulty? Can't turn on your device? Water damage? At Gadget Doctor, we repair your phone at your doorstep. At your home, office, at a time and place that's convenient for you. Repairs will only take 25 to 60 minutes. Have total peace of mind and get your device back to life fast. Visit our website to view our pricing and satisfied reviews from customers. www.gadget-doctor.com